starting at the Central Cavite Airport. Traffic will permitting estimate touchdown in Cavite is 3:35 in the afternoon. Time check for convenience is 8:30 in the afternoon. Latest weather reported in Cavite are expecting good weather with a visibility of 10 kilometers and ground temperature of 30 degrees Celsius.